A very good morning and warm greetings to one and all present here. Before moving on to the session, let me begin it with a warm full quote. What inspires us is the most what that lets others to dream. So, I take this immense pleasure to welcome you all to the third edition of Biotechyons 2020. Biotechyons is a biotechnology department conducted by our college. So, this event is mainly meant to solve the purpose for inviting the students or for freshers and also in engaging and encouraging students to improve their technical skills. Now, let me invite our Deputy Dean, Dr. D. Yuvraj sir, for the felicitation.
Happy morning, everybody. So it's my privilege to welcome all the students on behalf of the Department of Biotechnology and on behalf of our BTHT to this mega event, Biotechyons, organized and conducted by the students for the students. I should first thank Dr. Sai Ramesh for taking this enormous effort in pulling these things together and coordinating almost all the students from every nook and corner. This is indeed a great event, Sai. I definitely appreciate you.
Thank you, sir.
And we need the cooperation of all the people throughout your period of study, starting from the year 1 till the 4th year. So the encouragement and the enthusiasm you have shown in putting this up as Biotechyons is to be shown completely towards till the end. So make sure you are present in all the events organized by biotechnology, and your support is definitely necessary. And I once again thank Dr. Sai and all the other faculty members for bringing this up together. All the best. Enjoy your day. I think it is going on for a couple of days. Participate in all the events. Try to view at least if you're not participating. Good luck. See you all soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for those warmful words, sir. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. A. Sai Ramesh, Associate Professor, Department of Biotechnology, and also the event coordinator of Biotechyons, to have a few words with us.
Thank you, Harshavina. Good morning once again. I would like to officially welcome our freshers for the event, along with all the other delegates who is watching it online. So regarding the Biotechyons, I just wanted to give a very short glimpse of it and take you to an AV which is being prepared by the final years of students. So Biotechyons had started from, it was started from 2018, and it is the third consecutive year we are running Biotechyons. We started it for a single day event, and it is now running it for it is running as a 2-day event now. And since 2018, we always had challenges in conducting Biotechyons year after year. And this year itself is a challenging for conducting Biotechyons. We were struggling to conduct it through online because every platform we are looking for is new to us, and we have to learn things on how to conduct it, make it live, make it comfortable for the students who participate in it. So we really had, we, in the sense, the final years of biotechnology had put on tremendous effort, worked day and night in making this event happen today and tomorrow. I personally wish them all success, and from the side of the department, all the faculty fraternity, we wish the final years all the best for their future, and also for making this event a successful one. Over to the event coordinator, student event coordinator, Mr. S. Vigneshwar, for the AV that has been prepared by the final years, which will give you the entire glimpse of Biotechyons and what is going to happen for the next 2 days. And with that note, I repeat, I welcome all the freshers and the faculty fraternity in the department, outside the department, for Biotechyons BT20. Thank you.
ஹலோ எவ்ரிவன், என் பேர் விக்கி. ஃபைனல் இயர் பயோடெக்னாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். இது தாங்க நம்ம காலேஜ். இது தாங்க பயோடெக்னாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். இங்கே நாங்கள் படிக்கிறதை தாண்டி நிறையா பண்ணுவோம். லைக் ஃபுட் கார்னிவல் பண்ணோம், அப்புறம் பயோத்ரோன்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணோம். பட் இதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் பண்ணால் கூட பயோடெக்னாலஜி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டுன்னு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் ஈவெண்ட் இருக்குங்க. அதுதாங்க எங்க இப்படியே ஜாலியா போன எங்க லைஃப்ல நடுவுல வந்தாங்க ஒரு வில்லன். பட் என்னதான் இவன் வில்லனா இருந்தாலும் இந்த உலகத்துக்கு இந்த பயோடெக்னாலஜிஸோட அருமையை புரிய வச்சது இவன் தாங்க. பட் என்னதான் இருந்தாலும் இவன் வந்து அப்புறம் எங்க லைஃபே ஒரு மாதிரி மாறிடுச்சுங்க. ஒன்னா இருந்த நாங்க தனியா ஆயிட்டோம். கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் ஆன்லைன்ல வந்துருச்சு. அதுவும் இந்த டீச்சர் பாடுற பாடு இருக்கே,
யாருன்னா இருக்கிறீங்களா? அமைதியாகுது, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அமைதியாகுது, தாங்க முடியல.
பட் எப்படியோங்க இந்த கொரோனா லீவை நம்ம எப்படியோ ஓட்டிட்டோம். ஒரு பக்கம் ஐபிஎல்ல ஆர்ஜே பாலாஜியோட கமெண்ட்ரி, இன்னொரு பக்கம் பிக் பாஸ்ல பாலாஜியோட சண்டை, அப்புறம் நடுவில் இந்த காமெடி பீஸுங்க வேற.
கண்ணந்தேவன் டீ புடி, சிஎஸ்கே புடி புடி.
பட் இருந்தாலும் எங்களுக்குள்ள நிறைய டவுட்டுங்க. எப்போதான் காலேஜ் ஓப்பன் ஆகும்? நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் திருப்பி பார்க்க முடியுமா? முக்கியமா பயோடெக்யான்ஸ் கேன்சல் ஆயிடுச்சா?
Definitely not.
Over to Harshavina for the next part of the speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Vignesh. That was a series of biotech introduction. And now I would like to welcome Mr. A. Gnanashekharan, sir, HOD, Head of the Department of Biotechnology, to have few words with us.
Good morning, students. I first of all welcome all the freshers who joined in the Department of Biotechnology. This event is usually conducted every year to make the freshers to have a good interaction with the seniors and make them comfortable with them so that they can grow along with the seniors. And this event is also gives a platform to express the talents in various activities so that the newly joined students will be aware that what is actually going on in the department and how the students are enrolling in various activities. So this will give an idea. The event will give an idea how to perform in futures. At the same time, you will be having a good interaction with your seniors. So every year, this event is organized by Dr. Sai Ramesh, who put all his effort in conducting this event. Every time he will be facing certain hurdles. This year also he has faced the same thing. But anyhow, with his continuous hard working and along with the final year team, he has succeeded in this event, conducting this event. So I first of all thank the entire final year team for organizing this in a very professional way. And I also welcome all the precious students, and still they are yet to join. So I welcome you in the Department of Biotechnology. And I once again thank all the staff members who have contributed their effort in organizing this event. Thank you, one and all. It's up to the event coordinator to conduct these 2 days in a grand manner. And I hope you all will enjoy these 2 days. Thank you.
Sir, in continuation with this, I would request Dr. D. Yuvraj sir to release the magazine, and you can receive it from Yuvraj sir.
Dr. Sai, you can proceed with the event.
Yes, sir. Sir, magazine, I'm just releasing it, so you can take it, sir. This is the Biozine magazine. Every year in the Biotechnology event, we will be releasing the year-long progress which has happened with 4 major categories. One is the Students' Corner, followed by faculty contributions and departmental activities, and then alumni interaction. So even this year we have done it, and the entire thing has been released today. And the hard copy will be available in the department, and the soft copy will be circulated to the students. Sir, over to you, sir. Nyanshikan, sir, over to you regarding the magazine. Ashwina, you can continue, Ashwina.
Yes, sir. And now, before moving on further, let me invite with a brief introduction for the President of Society of Chemical and Synthetic Biology, Dr. L. Karthik. Dr. L. Karthik is the project lead in synthetic biology, and he has done his PhD in microbiology at VIT University and postdoctoral scientist at Shanghai Jiaotong University, China, and postdoctoral scientist for synthetic biology at East China University of Science and Technology in China. He has his projects involving CRISPR-Cas12, a base diagnosis kit, and also to study the molecular mechanism of cancer. A combined approach on genomics and transcriptomics and proteomics is one of his major products. And he also published over 63 Scopus journal papers with over impact factor of 73. And with no further delay, let me invite Dr. L. Karthik to have few words with us.
But in India, India, this is still in baby field. Okay, but in abroad, it grown very well. So that's why to initiate, to our students also should aware of this modern technology like that. We initiated this society. Okay, with a big team, several experts in this chemical synthetic biology faculty involved in this. But I'm this year 56 students. 96 students from your college itself joined this society. So really happy. So due to continuous force of Dr. Sai, we given special price discount for you people. And not only that, he always ask what is the benefit of our students. So our students should learn something advanced. So I'm happy to announce you people. So compared to all other people, for Well-Tech membership students will get that 20 to 30% discount from all the conference and workshops organized by that society. And not only that, if you people want to learn any specific subject or any specific technique, if you want to learn, we will conduct in your host institute itself. So the expertise we will conduct. Only 20, 30 members yourself, you can make a team. Then we will happy to give that advanced workshop to by hand to your own institute. You no need to go come outside here and there. Okay, so that is the opportunity we want to provide you people, and we are also providing like a CRISPR kind of advanced courses, CRISPR nanomedicine certificate courses. We are conducting officially the society. So for that also we will give you the 50% discount for students, particularly for Well-Tech high-tech students for you people. Okay, so you people should use this opportunity for your career growth. Okay, so there are some of the benefits we want to give you people for the next 4 years. It's not only 4 years. After that also we are happy to provide some of the benefits to you, like a one-to-one career guidance is there, and we have several tie-ups with companies, also the society. So in coming future, we plan to help you to get the internships, job, and if you want to be an entrepreneur also, we have the very good numbers in our team, angel investors, lot of members are there. So we are happy to help in all the ways. So not only just a content workshop. So one-to-one career guidance is there. So anytime you can approach your advisor, so we will arrange the expertise, which field you want one-to-one guidance for your future career or internship or job, anything related to that, you can contact us. So through the society, we are happy to help you in all the way. So once again, thank you very much for everyone, particularly Dr. Saramesh for great event in a short time. So thank you, one and all. Thank you very much, and all the best for your event, guys. So Dr. Saramesh will distribute the membership card to everyone. If after the corona things will be finished, soon we will arrange the modern molecular cloning technologies or CRISPR technology workshop we will organize in our institute. So, I give this promise to you all. Thank you very much, Dr. Saramesh.
Thank you, Karthi. Thank you for the information. So here is the society membership card for which is officially be released for the time being. Once the students reaches the college after the normalcy returns, the hard part of the copy will be hard copy of the card will be given. So with this note, I personally thank Karthi for his time and being here for the release of society membership. Thank you, Karthi.
Yeah, thank you, Sai.
So we have total number of students that are entering the society this year is 56, which will be valid up to 2023. And this will be distributed once the student reaches the college. The benefits have already been said by Karthik. Since there was a small technical glitch in this, I just wanted to repeat. The people who have society membership will have fee concession in their conferences that is being organized by the society, along with the courses and workshops, as well as the certified programs, if anything is being organized by SESB. And regularly SESB organizes certain conferences and certified courses which are available in the website of SESB. So which will also be shared among the students. Thank you. Thank you all. So we'll have a short break for 15 minutes. With that, yes, Karthik.
Dr. Sai, just sorry to interrupt you. I forgot to tell one more thing to the people. Students, last year, several chapters. Last year, the second, our even in this, I'm happy to tell you that student chapter got the best student. Society chapter award. I'm really happy to announce that. So when I said confidence, the moment of certificate should do that. I'm really happy to have that. Really active students chapter running college. I'm really happy to have. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik, for honoring Chennai chapter for the best awardee. And with this, we'll take a short 15 minutes break.